Welcome to Healthy Back. Some simple instructions to follow. Use yoga mat for exercise. Do this exercise empty stomach or can be done 1 hour after food. Stretch slowly and hold. Sit with legs extended. It can be done sitting on chair too. And now twist and stretch softly on the right side. Breathe normally and hold. Relax. Same way, twist on the left side and hold. Relax. Stand with your back towards the wall and slide down to this position and hold. Breathe normally. Relax. Lying on your back, bend your knees, both feet on yoga mat, press your feet and lift your body. This is called as bridge. Hold. Breathe normally. Relax. This is called as Cobra or Bhujangasana. Lie face down with your hands under shoulder. Press your hands into the floor and pull your shoulders back. Raise your head up. Breathe normally and hold. Put both forearms parallel on the mat. Lift your body to this position. Tighten your core. Body should be straight. Breathe normally and hold. Relax. Good. Hang on.